Hello everyone, this is lesson number 24, HSK2, and we have still 6 more lessons to go and finish second level. So, um, we quite, the end is near, but it's not the end, it's just a new beginning, because HSK3, I think the more you learn, the more ways, more path you will reach, you will see, and you'll you'll be glad by yourself because now, of course, you just can understand a bit of, but in 3 or 6 months, and maybe in 1 year, you can listen Chinese podcasts, Chinese videos, and you will be amazed by yourself. Just need more discipline, more determination, and slowly, slowly, your brain will adapt because you cannot fool your brain because brain works like a child. He's slowly, slowly. If you look at any child, it's from 3 years old. He he slowly, slowly learn word by word. You cannot see like 5 years old. He's silent, 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 and then boom, can speak any word. So only slow process. So let's continue this process. The first, let's repeat. Words. 妻子, 妻子, it's a wife. 妻子. 下雪, 下雪 to snow. 房子, 房子 house, apartment. 房间, 房间 room. 的, it's particle for creating adverb, and so you can say manner, degree. And 弟弟, 弟弟 little brother. So the new word is 近, 近, it's near. 近, for example, the school is very near my house, or to my house. 学校离我家很近. I hope you remember. 离 it's from somewhere to somewhere, from my school to your school, and show distance. So 学校 the school, 离我家 from my home, so school from my home, 很近 is very close, is very near, 很近. 学校离我家很近, 很近. As you can remember, 远 and 远 it's far away, near is near, 近 is near. Next example, the store is near. I will walk there. 商店很近, 商店很近. 我走过去. 商店很近, 商店 the store 很近 is very close, so the store is near. 我走过去, 我走过去. I walk. So you can say 走 to walk, 过去 to go over. 过去 it's to cross someplace. It shows a distance. It shows the movement from our point to some point in a distance. So from our to some place. 过去 to go over. So 走过去 it's to walk, to go over, to walk there. You can say it's like 走 it's a verb, and 过去 it's just this detail. It's describe this door to walk, so it's described by this word. So it's a bit of grammar point, so I think HSK free, so don't need to know right now. 商店很近, 我走过去. I walk there. Next one, his house is near the company. 他家近公司, 他家近公司. So his house is near 公司 company. I think 近 could be adverb, is like near. Also could be adverb or adjective. So here is adjective. 他家近. So his house is near. Because here, for example, 闪电很近 also is adjective. 很近. I think maybe here the hand verb. 他家. I think 对对 we cannot say 他家很近公司 because we need to say this 他家离公司很近 this way we can say, but here is another construction 他家近公司 so his company is near, or his home is near the company. So here's I think it's adverb here. I think also I think it's a verb, just verb, not adverb. Because if no in every sentence we need some one verb, right? Interesting. Okay, let's keep for now, but still interesting because I think we need verb in our sentence. I live very close to the park. 我住的离公园很近. I live 公园 is a park. Be careful here. 我住 I live, and I live how? Also, this there appear, and this describe how I live. 我住的离公园很近 from park very close. So 离公园很近. So here is the describe. Also, for example, you can remove this one and say 我住很近. You cannot say I live very close, right? You need to say 我住的很近. 我住的很近. 我住离公园很近. Also, you can say. So here's the is necessary because we can say verb. So, okay. Next one is 雪 it's to snow. Or no, it's not to snow, it's just snow. 雪. Let's see. There is a lot of snow outside. 外面有很多雪. 外面有很多雪. Outside, so outside, there is or has, so there is a lot of, outside has 很多雪, 很多雪, a lot of snow. So, or in English, a lot of snow outside, there is a lot of snow outside. So, some variation could be. Next one, the snow is white and very beautiful. 雪很白, 雪很白, 很漂亮, 很漂亮. So, the snow, 雪很白, 很白, but it's white. So it's where it's here is the snow is white. 雪很白. Also could be, but I think it's snow is very white. No, the snow is very white. Yes, you can see some variants. The snow is very white, extremely white, a lot of white. The snow is shade of white. The snow is very pale. So I think it's not the snow is white. Hand white. So it's very white. But I think you cannot say it's very white, right? It's extremely white. The snow is very white. I think it's kind of strange to say like that. 雪很白，很漂亮. It's very very beautiful. 很漂亮. Very white. It's very black. It's really black. It's extremely black. I think very black. You look very white. So, interesting. 雪很白，很漂亮. Very beautiful. So let's see next one. For this case, for this situation, we have, for example, for everyone, for every word, because sometimes it's not clearly obvious from one example, so we see differently. My younger brother likes playing with snow. 弟弟喜欢玩雪。弟弟 younger brother 喜欢 to like something. 玩 to play 学 snow. So 玩雪 to play with the snow. As you can see, this sentence, whole line in English, and this small, only 6 characters in Chinese. Of course, in English also like 6 or 7 words, but you can imagine how smaller the book in Chinese than in English, because in this sentence, oh, I think in every sentence, you can see that Chinese Chinese characters takes the less space. So of course it's obvious because they're all the same size, but but it's interesting. 弟弟喜欢玩雪玩 Maybe it's one of the reason why the book printing appear in China, the firstly, because the because it's no letters, right? And they just use copy of these characters and print them. So okay, next one. It snowed all the day and it's very cold. 雪下了，雪下了一天，很冷，很冷。As you can see, 一天 it's one day, but in this context, it's represent whole day, whole day, full day. 雪下了 so snow. 雪下 it's 下雪. I think interesting. We know 下雪 it's to snow, but 雪下了，雪下了，下雪了。I think I think it's the same. 雪下了一天 the snowed all day. 很冷，很冷 very cold. 很冷。Okay. Next one is 零，零 it's 0. 0, 0, as you can see in the bottom bottom part of this character, it's 零. It's 零 character represent pronunciation 零. On the top character it's you. As you can see here, 雪 also on the top this you, the rain. But I think for now, I think there is a story behind this character, but maybe better to find by themselves, because every character have a lot of characters. It's 0 degrees today, very cold. 今天是零度，零度，很冷，很冷。今天是 today is 零度 0 度 it's degree 度 it's similar pronunciation is similar, right? 度今天是零度 today is 0 degree 很冷很冷 very cold very cold. I got 0 points on the exam. Wow, that's very unlucky. 我考试的得了0分。Interesting. Okay. Here's the it's to get, to score, to gain, to obtain. No. I think just to get. So 我考试 I pass an exam, and 得了 I got. 我考试得了 I got 0分。分 it's a point, also has a lot of meanings, but here is just point. 我考试了得了0分。I pass an exam and get 0 points. 0分 Okay, next one it's midnight now and I'm sleepy. 现在是0点，我很困，我很困，困。现在 right now 困 it's sleepy. So 现在是0点 right now is 0 o'clock or midnight. 0点我很困，我很困。I'm very sleepy. Kun, it's sleepy. It's from HSK 3, I think, 4. So it's just a bit advanced. 我很困. I'm sleepy. Next one, he has 0 yuan. 他有0块钱. he has 0 块. 块钱 it's yuan. It's yuan. It's money from Chinese money. So just Chinese currency. We know it's like yuan. It has different character, but here's just for colloquial, for speech, for speaking language, for everyday life. They use 块钱 or just 块, 0块 or 块钱. 钱 it's money and 块 it's like a piece, like a part of something, but here is like for money. 块钱. 他有0块钱. We still have a free words. Let's see. Do. It's degree. It's 0 degrees outside. 外面是0度. 外面 outside is 0 degrees. 外面是0度. 0 degrees. Next one. It's 10 degrees today. Not cold. 今天有10度. 不冷. Today has 10 degrees. 今天有10度. 10 degrees. 不冷 not cold. 不冷. Okay. Next one. It's -5 degrees when it snows. When it snows. 下雪时 when it's 下雪时是-5度. What is 负? 负 is negative. 负 negative or minus 5. So 下雪时 or you can say 下雪的时候 also could be when it snow at the time of snowing 下雪时是 is -5 度 -5 degrees 负 5 as you can see 5 is a 5 负 5 度 degrees 负 5 度. Okay. Next one. It's 30 degrees in the summer. Very hot. 夏天有30度. 夏天 in the summer there is 30度. 10 degrees, so 30 degrees. 30度. 30. 很热. You can read it like 热 很热 is hot. So 夏天有30度 很热. I think it's like French R Paris 很热. So it's a bit this type of 夏天有30度很热. Next one is first one. Tron. It's no J on the end, so it's not Tron. It's Tron. It's N, not N. So Tron. It's to wear something. Let's see. I wore a new piece of clothing. 我穿了一件新衣服. I wore 一件 one piece of what? 新 new 衣服 new clothes. So 我穿了一件新 衣服, one piece of new clothes. Okay. Next one. He is dressed warmly. 他穿得很暖和. 暖和, it's a new word. It's from HSK4. 暖和, it's warm. 暖和. Be careful, you know this character as a he with something. But there is another reading. 火, 暖和. I think there is a character sun on the left, and on the right it's I, to love somewhere, something. 暖. I think when a lot of snow, well, a lot of sun and a lot of love, it's very warm. You can try to remember this way. 他穿, again because you cannot say he dressed very warm. You need to say he dressed warmly. So again we add the for this one. 他穿得很暖和, 很暖和, very warmly. Next one. You need to wear thick clothes when it snows. 下雪时要穿厚衣服. 下雪时 when it snows. When it snows. 要 here is need something. It also has a lot of different meanings, but here is to need something. 下雪时要穿 you need to wear 厚衣服 厚 it's thick, also from thick from HSK4 I think. So 厚衣服 thick clothes or 穿厚衣服. You can say also 下雪时要穿很多衣服. Or 需要更多衣服 or just 厚衣服 thick clothes. Next one. My younger brother wears my shoes. Shoes.弟弟穿我的鞋子 it's shoes 鞋子. On the left, on the right of the character, also you can see two characters of a soil, of ground, so we use shoe for ground. 弟弟穿我的鞋子. Brother wears my shoes. 我的鞋子. And last for this lesson, it's 进 to enter, to come in. Be careful because we have this one 进 near something, and it's very similar with the same pronunciation. Fourth one 进 here, and also here 进. And also be careful because we have a bottom character also the same. It's walking, represent walking, moving towards somewhere. Again, when we enter something, we move. Also, when we near something, also it could be related to some distance, some walking. Just pronunciation bit different. Characters a bit different. So be careful. I enter the room to rest. 我进房间休息。我进 I enter 房间 room for what? 休息 It could be 休息 also, but I think 休息 is better. 休息 to rest. So 我进房间休息 to rest. Next one. He started working at the company. 他进公司上班了. Here's 进 it represent to enter, to come in, to start something. Also has a lot of meanings. Let's see somewhere. To enter, advance, eat, submit, intake, step, go, fit, on. So here is started. So he enters the company for working. So he started working. You can also think this way. 他进公司上班了. For working. 上班了. He started working. 他进了. I think 了 represent to 秦，他进公司上班了，他进公司了。But at the end, it's just past simple. So next one, please come in. My home is very clean. You're afraid it's very dirty. 请进，请进. Please come in. Here is 进 to come. So 请进，请进. It's more like 进. It's more like 起接起。请进。我家很干净。我家 my home 很干净，干净 very clean. 干净。Next one and last one. My younger brother enters the classroom very late. 弟弟进教室很晚，很晚。弟弟进教室。The brother walked in the classroom 教室很晚，很晚 very late, very late, 很晚。弟弟进教室很晚。Okay. That's all for this lesson. Let's repeat some words. 妻子 wife 下雪 to snow 放 the house 放枪 the I think with this one and this new words 近 near somewhere 雪 snow 零 0 度 degree 穿 to wear something and 进 to come in to enter 进 Okay, that's all for these lessons and we'll see you in the next one. See you.